ended up staying in hospital for a week, and on intravenous antibiotics for 5 of those days. We were running a theatre workshop, but what part of it the morning was we went down to the Llanstefan Bay, and we just were going out and swim and to get a sense of the elements and what it's like to be out there in the ocean. And unfortunately I'd had a little scrape that happened just the day before on my lower leg, and went out there thinking actually maybe the salt water would be good for it, and turned out not to be. First I felt nauseous and quite feverish, and I thought maybe I've got COVID or something, and then I was literally not aware of what I was doing. After about 4 hours I was kind of rolling around apparently on my front room floor and waving my arms about, according to my son. And luckily my wife knew a nurse, a friend of hers is a nurse, so she came around and checked, and she could just see from the leg that it was getting very, very red and was travelling up my leg. And I was really out of it, and so they gave me some paracetamol and I just slept. That's all I wanted to do, was sleep. And then the ambulance arrived about 4 hours later, so it was nearly midnight, 1 o'clock, that I got taken to the Heath Hospital and was in accident and emergency for 26 hours sitting in a chair. And but luckily they'd started they'd taken the blood test and they realised that it was cellulitis, if not sepsis. They were worried about sepsis, and put me on intravenous antibiotics straight away.